Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Now that your lawn is increasing in growth, it's a great time to revitalise your lawn and treat some weeds. Here's a quick introduction to some spring lawn care products that you can use over the coming months. All-purpose weed control is a hose-on herbicide treatment for common broadleaf weeds like bindii, clover, cudweed, oxalis and catsear. The clip-on hose attachment makes treating weeds that have crept into your lawn over winter quick and easy. If you prefer to mix with water and apply through a pressure sprayer or knapsack, bindii is the equivalent option in a concentrate. Bindii is also ideal for treating common broadleaf weeds like bindii, clover and oxalis, and is safe to use on all your common lawn varieties as well. Oxafert is a granular pre-emergent herbicide suitable for most warm season turf varieties. It controls weed seedlings during germination and has an added upfront fertiliser component as well. Oxafert prevents these weeds from emerging and spreading throughout your lawn for up to 12 weeks. Lawn Solutions Premium Lawn Fertiliser is the perfect lawn food for spring. It contains a combination of fast and slow release granules as well as trace elements to encourage root growth and to improve the overall look of your lawn. The slow release granules will deliver nutrient to your lawn each day for up to 12 weeks after the initial application to aid in sustained growth for best all-round results. Grasses like Tiff Tuff or Sir Grange require less nutrients than other varieties, so they're only going to need half or a third of the usual application at certain times of the year. So check the side of the bucket for specific application details for your variety. Granular type products are best applied using a fertiliser spreader, which is ideal for ensuring you get a nice even coverage during application. I use this one on setting number 3, which is ideal for most products and applications. If you're a bit unsure, start on a low number and work your way up accordingly. Exceed Liquid Fertiliser is a professional grade foliar fertiliser ideal for correcting nutrient deficiencies quickly, addressing stress related issues or to boost overall lawn health. Now Exceed can be used on all turf varieties and is easily mixed with water in a knapsack or pressure sprayer. Lawn Rescue Hose-On is a blend of liquid fertilisers, seaweed extracts and wetting agents and is ideal for use during establishment, post-establishment and for post-winter revival. Promoting the development of root growth in new lawns, Lawn Rescue stimulates, supports and protects root growth in established lawns year-round. Lawn Soaker Hose-On is a wetting agent product for treating water-repellent soil. It improves the penetration of water by breaking down the waxy surface that is caused by the decomposition of organic matter, allowing water to penetrate down into the roots where it is needed. Before using any of these products, always read the label instructions and stick to label rates when applying. This is especially important if you're applying to a turf variety like Tiff Tuff that requires less nutrient. If you are not sure which products are right for your lawn, or if you just want some more information, you can get in touch with Lawn Solutions Australia directly or contact your local Lawn Solutions member. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.